Welcome! In today's episode I finally get the tail glued. Let's start. I mark and cut the skin. I made the skins in previous sessions. I use instant glue to fix the skin to the tail boom. I leave a portion of the skin with no glue since I still have to glue the tubes underneath with epoxy. I tack in carbon fiber tube guiding the elevator control linkage. I scoop out some foam to allow skin-to-skin contact for fiberglass. Chisel did not work well, so I used Dremel. Much better, but dusty. Time to glue the tail. As always, I cut the cloth beforehand. I use epoxy with cotton fiber for the joints, and clean epoxy for fiberglass. Till this session I didn't really know what's the situation with the CG. So as you can probably guess, short cowling and big tail put me in tail heavy situation. Not that much, but enough to take some corrective actions at this point. I will probably clip this huge vertical stab. I will move battery packs to the cowling. I did not want them in there, but that's where we are. I will push the engine forward as much as I can. I will move some of the electronics more forward. And I will install elevator and rudder servo more forward than initially planned. Also, I will add a little more glass to the cowling since it is pretty thin in some places. If that's not enough, I will add baffles around engine cylinders to help in cooling. So as you can see, there is many moves I can pull before I need to add weight to the front or shorten the tail. And talking about the weight, when I started the build I was estimating the total weight to be somewhere around 35 pounds. Well, that's some old data. With this build fully loaded with fuel, I'll be closer to 39 pounds, 18 kilograms. Not light at all, but I do have 1 pound generator plus associated electronics and 3 liters of gasoline. So if it flies, I'll be happy anyways. However, for the future builds we'll have to come up with techniques, bringing the weight way down. That's all for today and more coming soon.